was a quick, wet boy diving too deep for cold.